That's a 20 billion parameter AI model running entirely on my machine. No API key, no subscription, no cloud, just my GPU and CPU. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can set up all of this on Windows from zero to a local LLM running in under 10 minutes. I am a software engineer building a software studio in public on this channel. Setting up a local AI stack is the foundation of everything I am building, and this is the cleanest way I have found to do it. So let's go. So first, we would be going to Ollama.ai. This is the tool that makes running local LLM simple. Think of it like Docker, but for AI models. One command, model runs locally. Here you can see the download button. You are on Windows, so grab the Windows installer. Or if you're on any other system, you can select tool also. I'm on Windows, so I'll be copying this command. You go back to your terminal and you just paste it. Now I have already downloaded it because from 600 MB to 2 GB in download, and it would take a minute for it to download. So I already have it here. How do we verify it? By going Ollama icon version. See, Ollama version is 0.20.5. I already have this in my system. So what we're gonna do next? We go head back to Ollama. We see models. You see all these models are currently present in Ollama, and we can install all these models and run them locally. And I'll show you how we can install a model in a local LLM system. Now to do that, what you need to have is the name of the model. You can have it from here. Let's suppose the model. What you'll be doing is you'll be writing Ollama full and the model name. For instance, I'm using GPT-oss 20 billion. This is a 20 billion parameter model that fits entirely in the 16 gigabits of VRAM that I have. But as you can see, I already have installed this. This is how it would look. I'm currently pulling 20 code 30 GB, and this is how it would look like pulling a model. So Ollama downloads a quantized version of the model. That means it compares to use less memory with minimal quality loss. And there is a tiny quality difference I won't lie, but it's on your consumer hardware. It is present in your local system. It doesn't require any API. It doesn't give you a time hotspot, tokens, or context. So that's why this thing is better for me, who is building a startup on my own and without any kind of free money thing. So I can see that you can see that I already have it installed there. What we're going to do is we're going to run this model. Okay. Now after you pull this model and it gets installed, what you have to do is Ollama run take that model. It will now I'm taking directly to the model. I'm talking directly to the model in the terminal. Let's give it a data. So you have to go to packages. Because telling the model what they are is the best thing you can do. The prompt build me or write me PID for recipe. There you go. This is how it will look. It's similar to the calculated which you get what you get from Cloud or while you are talking to ChatGPT or Perplexity or Gemini or any other AI model. Like that. And you can see how fast it is actually giving you the whole PRD. It's actually generating the whole PRD in Markdown version that you can just copy and paste it in any of your ID. Or even you can copy and paste this in your conference doc. So yeah, you can see that also given the title, and we have purpose, we have cognition, we have solution overview. We even have target user and persona, user stories, code features, everything that you need from a PRD is there. It's structured, formatted, and it's usable. And to be very honest, what it's good for us, the whole PRD was edited in just 10 seconds, entirely on my machine, without any API, without any cost. Now, how much effort would this cost from PRD? I'm just giving it a prompt so I can show you this. Ollama PS. It's the name of the currently running AI LLM model. The size which it needs from your memory input. See, if you can see, it's running 100% on my GPU. My GPU is 16 GB. That's why 100% of it is getting power to my GPU. Okay. So why does this matter? My RT is 40 super. I have 700 gigabits per second of memory bandwidth. My RAM, which is a DDR5 RAM, that's about 90 bits. So if a model overflows your CPU, you lose that 7 times speed advantage on the proportion that it shows. And from the fourth thing, I'll show you how it really does overflow. What I do is I'll take a head. So whenever you run a model, just remember to stop the model. Okay? Now what you're going to do is this model going further to 30 GB is a heavy model. You saw it was somewhere around 30 GB model. So it's definitely going to overflow to my CPU. Let's run and see what really happens. What do I give them? How do I create our messages? So you see here, it says 2430 GB. The size of this module, the memory it takes from your local machine is 19 GB. So I told you my the GPU had only 15 GB. Right? It splits the, as I told you, my GPU was just 16 GB. Has the 16 GB of VRAM. What it does, it splits LLM layers. It uses your GPU for 71% of the layer and uses the rest of the layer from your CPU on your CPU. As you can see, the split is 29 71. So 71% of the layers will be running very fast, but the 29% you would lose 7 times the advantage on that portion. That's what I was talking about. Just think before you install a model. What I was doing earlier today, I was installing Llama 3.3 7 GB. Now this particular model, it needs around 44 GB of your memory from your local machine. I only had 15 GB of my GPU, so the split was 31 to 69, and it literally took me an hour to just have a PID called as a PID, the one that you got in the same seconds from gpt-oss 1 GB. It takes 1 hour to get that PID. Of course, the quality of the PID will be better, but do I want it? I don't want it. I want faster output from the LLM models. So that's why I consider gpt-oss as 1 GB. And I can also consider 23 code as a TV because with 29 to 71 latest split, it's all good. But having a 31, 69 to 51 split, that will slow everything. So you stop the messages, the inputs that you have. You got from Ollama. That's it. Ollama installed model running 100% GPU confirmed under the same name. If you want to go deeper, I will be keep posting. I will be uploading videos around how I'm gonna build my own startup, my own SaaS, my own software studio. So next video that I'll be uploading is around faster whisper. What it is, it's a package provided by Python which does the same thing but 4 times better than OpenAI's speech recognition model. OpenAI's speech recognition model is known as Whisper AI. What it does, it converts voice to text, and that transcription there would be one of the very important things to my software studio. Okay. Subscribe if you want to follow the build and documenting the whole thing in public from local AI or the regular deployed product studio.